It's Metal Bum here. Gonna do a quick auto unboxing. Guys, I know it's been a while. I've got a little unboxing for you guys. I know I haven't been around in a while. I've been doing a couple things, that I do, real estate and other things. So I've been traveling a lot, and I have been buying gold, silver, precious metals. I like the physical type first, and I think I actually bought enough where I don't really need to buy any more physicals. Well, I still buy them, but I am now being a little more selective. Before I was just going for bulk. I think once you hit about 1,000 ounces of silver and about 10 to 15 ounces of gold, then you should start thinking of other ways to store it, because it gets a little much to store that amount. But anyways, guys, here's a quick unboxing I wanted to do for y'all. I actually got this from Apmex. Look how nicely packaged this is. Oops, I'm starting to drive, guys. Metal Bum is starting to drive while unboxing. I don't know if I'm going to get in trouble for this, but here we go. We're going to continue doing this. But this right here is a 1 ounce gold coin, and so this is a 1 ounce American Eagle, and I am driving, so I shouldn't be doing this, but I got it from Apmex, and it just happened to come with this bezel, this necklace charm thing, but you can just hold it as just the gold coin only. But this is it. I'm going to take a little break because I'm driving, so I probably shouldn't be doing this.
Smash that like button and subscribe.
All right, guys, I'm just doing this quickly because, one, I'm very excited about getting my first gold American Eagle. I have a couple gold Buffalo Eagles that I got with my specials. Go check out my old video on my 2 gold Buffaloes. I kind of explain how I buy them for under spot or near spot. This one I happen to get under spot using my eBay bucks. Go look at my old videos for that as well. I do want to post more videos. I just haven't really had much time to do them. Then I try to edit them and all this stuff, and then it's sometimes it takes an hour or so. This one I'm just gonna post real quick, slap it together. But yeah, I just wanted to showcase this. Happy stacking, guys. Keep stacking. Gold, silver, I think have a great macro trend. That's the long-term trend, 12, 24 months. And in the next decades, I think with the way the monetary system is going, I think that there will be, you can see like Ray Dalio, Peter Schiff, Mike Maloney, a lot of experts and hedge fund guys are Paul Tudor Jones. He's a big hedge fund guy as well. A lot of these billionaire guys are getting into gold because they are great hedges, especially with the low interest rates that are coming. Low interest rates coming from inverse yields, lower yields on bonds and fixed assets are they're lowering. So it is a good time to hold gold and tangible assets. I think real estate will also be doing good if in the long run, as long as when interest rates are super low, that's when tangible assets go up in value, and there's hyperinflation, whatnot. Eventually, when that turns, the interest rates will be low for a while, and then eventually what happens is they will turn into higher interest rates and hyperinflation. It's kind of weird how that works. But if that does occur, there's 2 things. There's the low interest rates will mean that gold is something that will provide better returns, but also once there's like this reverse where suddenly there's too much printing, and then there's devaluation of the dollar and currencies, and then gold will do very, very well. But yeah, I just wanted to show you guys how old this gold coin is. I sometimes would pull these out and just start rubbing my fingers on them. I think that's more for silver, which tarnishes. I think gold's okay, but I don't want to start getting my oily little fingers all over it right now. But yeah, see my paradigm shift video as well. That's where I go into Ray Dalio's thoughts on, you know, how gold is a great hedge against monetary crises and recessions and things like that. But anyways, guys, Metal Bum, just wanted to shout out to everybody. Hey, what's up to the silver and gold stacking community? Hope you all are well. I'll talk to you later. Bye.